What if I told you the future of art, of film, of storytelling is no longer bound by what the camera sees or by the cost of a single frame? What if your dreams, your wildest visions, could be brought to life not in years, not with millions, but in minutes, with just an idea and a spark of creativity? Welcome to the age of imagination unchained. Right now, as you watch this, a silent revolution is reshaping how we create. Not in boardrooms, not on sound stages, but in the hearts and minds of creators like you. AI isn't just a tool, it's a lens into infinite possibility. One that turns words into worlds, prompts into motion, thought into thunder. We no longer wait for permission. The gatekeepers of creativity gone. The rules of production rewritten. From cinematic shots that were once impossible to scenes never filmed, only imagined. The power of cinema is now in your hands. On this channel, I'll take you there to the edge of reality. We'll witness AI reimagine war zones and waterfalls, cities that never existed, and creatures that defy biology. We'll turn text into film, silence into soundtrack, and still frames into stories that breathe. Every week, every episode, we'll test the limits. Can AI tell a story better than Hollywood? Can a battlefield be built in seconds? Can you become the director of your own blockbuster without a single actor? Not in theory, in practice, right here. This isn't just about technology. It's about creativity democratized, vision made visible, and imagination unbound. Whether you're a filmmaker without a budget, a storyteller with no stage, or a dreamer who never learned the tools, you belong here, because what we're building isn't just content, it's experiences. It's a new form of cinema, one that doesn't watch you from a screen, it invites you in. And you, yes, you watching this right now will be part of it. This is only the beginning. Soon, you'll see AI recreate history, visualize futures never imagined, and maybe, just maybe, bring your own stories to life. So subscribe. Don't just watch. Be part of something that no generation before us ever had. Because this is not the future. This is now. And together, we're going to create what the world has never seen.